Hi guys, so welcome to the SteelFab 2025. We are LaRosa Hardware and Equipment Company, and we are currently at the Sharjah Expo Center at Hall number 5, booth number 3330. And we are exhibiting some good machineries this time, and we would like to demonstrate some machines for you. So let's start with the first machine, which is a CNC laser tube cutting machine. As you can see the samples over here, we have some profiles which we have already cut, which are cut live at the exhibition center. If you are visiting us, we can show you some demonstrations also. And this machine is basically coming with a 3 kilowatt laser source, which is from Rakus. And this machine is capable of cutting up to 240 round tubes, square tubes, I beams, H beam, and many other profiles. I'll just demonstrate a small cutting for you. So as you can see, right now we can cut different shapes, different designs as per our requirement. We just feed in the drawings and the programs to the system, and then once we instruct the machine to start the cutting, it does the cutting accordingly. Now there are different profiles, different designs that you can cut on this machine, which we are programming here. This machine, it also comes with automatic feeding. So this is an advanced machine. We also have different models here, like this is for 240 capacity. We have smaller versions for this machine available. So according to the customer requirement, according to your budget requirement, we can customize the machines for you. Apart from this, now we have already displayed here an hydraulic folding machine. This is a CNC hydraulic folding machine, which is basically used for making ducts. You can make C channels on this one, enclosure box, control panels, many different applications for this machine. So we'll just demonstrate the machine for you. So we place the sheet here. So as you can see here, we have placed the sheet here. This machine is capable of bending up to 4 thickness for a width of total width of 3 meter. Now we have done the clamping and the folding according to the degree required, which we have already put in the control panel. So here we are making a 90-degree bend. So here the degree can be adjusted on the control panel. You have, as we mentioned before, it is a CNC machine. So whatever degree you want to bend, it can be mentioned here. And it is completely hydraulic controlled and very easy to use. Next, we have a laser welding machine. This is a 1.5 kilowatt laser welding machine. We have 2 kilowatt, 3 kilowatt. According to the customer's requirement, we can provide you the machine. As you can see here, it is a very precise welding this machine is very easy to handle, but at the same time, for welding stainless steel, we suggest customers to go ahead with this machine because it is more cleaner welding, and you don't have the hassle of cleaning the buff or. So you can see the quality of the welding here. So basically,
Even on GI.
huh?
Even on GI.
Yeah, the same welding we will be showing it on the GI. So anywhere where your application is required to have clean quality welding, we are suggesting you to go with the laser welding machine specifically for stainless steel where customers are dealing with kitchen appliances and all. We recommend you to go with the laser welding machine. You can see on the GI itself, once we brush it off, the welding quality is very good. And here we have a pre-insulated CNC cutting machine. As you can see, the samples we have already displayed here. This machine is very good economic solution for all kind of pre-insulated cutting and insulation cuttings. For pre-insulated ducts, we already have this machine with softwares where you can just mention the dimensions required and it can do the cutting. It comes in different dimensions. This machine is 1.5 meter by 4 meter. We also have machines for 2.5 meter width, 2.5 meter length. And all the drawings for the pre-insulated cuttings for the offsets and elbows, reducers, everything is already pre-feeded. So you just have to mention the dimensions and do the cutting. We'll just show you the machine's control panel. So as you can see here, the drawing is already put here in the system, and we'll just assign the cutting according to the requirements. So we've already pre-feeded the dimensions for these drawings and then did the cutting. You can see the bend, proper 90-degree bends. That is the accuracy that we can assure you. And this machine is comparatively cheaper than all the competitor machines that are available in the market. So this is a very good chance for you to get the better quality solution for a better price. So this is another model which we have exhibited for the first time in this exhibition. And we also have a high pressure injection machine. This is our machine from Italy, ISC brand. And this is a high pressure injection machine where it is used for multiple purposes like making sandwich panels for the roof. You can also use it for the cold room panels, for refrigeration trucks. This is the mixing head of the machine. So apparently this is a very simple two-component machine where we are using the two chemicals, polyol and isocyanate. And these chemicals come into the mixing head and it mixes to provide you the foam. And we also have some other machines which are aligned or which are combined with these machines to make the final product. So if you need to understand more about the entire production line, you can visit us to our booth and we'll be explaining you the process of these machines. The next machine that we have here is a spot welding machine. This is a 35 kVA spot welding machine where you can weld up to 3 plus 3 mm together. We have duct boxes here and we can exhibit to you how to weld the duct mate flange to the duct boxes. You can see the quality of the welding. It doesn't leave any mark, burnt mark. and it is very easy to use. Currently, there are self-piercing rivet machines which are used for this particular application. So this machine can actually make it more easier to use. Self-piercing rivet machine is a little bit more complicated machines where you have to remove the rivets and all. But here, you don't have to use any riveting belts. We have a machine which is you can hang it on the beam. This machine comes with a rail where you can move the unit on the rail. Currently, we have just fixed it in a steady position, but we will be supplying you the complete rail so you can move it around front and back. At the same time, it comes with a spring balance, so it's very easy to use. We have 360-degree rotation for this one, so you can handle the product and the machine at your comfort. So this is one another advantage of this machine. So, so these are the machines that we have exhibited at the SteelFab, and we have many more products with us in our showroom. So once you visit us here, we will show you all the machines, and we will also give you the information on the other products that we are dealing with. And we have exciting offers for you with regards to the price. So once you visit us, we hope that we can close a deal with you.